Olivia Nuzzi, a prominent political writer for New York Magazine, finds herself at the center of a media storm. She has been placed on leave following the revelation of a personal relationship with Robert F. Kennedy Jr. during his presidential campaign. Nuzzi admitted to engaging in personal communication with Kennedy, which was not disclosed to her employer. This violated the magazine's conflict of interest standards. The magazine stated that had they been aware of the relationship, Nuzzi would not have been permitted to continue covering the campaign. This revelation has sparked heated debates about journalistic ethics and the importance of transparency. Nuzzi's leave of absence raises questions about her future at the magazine and the potential ramifications for her career. Oliver Darcy, a former CNN reporter, played a pivotal role in bringing this story to light through his newsletter, Status. Darcy's actions underscore the critical importance of holding journalists accountable. They emphasize the need to ensure that reporting remains unbiased and objective. The revelation of Nuzzi's undisclosed relationship with Kennedy has ignited serious concerns about journalistic ethics. By failing to disclose her personal communications with Kennedy, Nuzzi violated New York Magazine's conflict of interest standards. This situation underscores the critical importance of transparency and accountability in journalism. The incident has sparked a much-needed debate about the boundaries between personal relationships and professional conduct for journalists. While some argue that any personal relationship with a subject should be disclosed, others believe only relationships that could directly influence reporting should be revealed. This situation highlights the need for clear ethical standards and open communication within news organizations. The incident has prompted crucial discussions about the responsibility of journalists to maintain public trust. By engaging in an undisclosed relationship, Nuzzi's actions could be perceived as compromising her objectivity. The relationship between Nuzzi and Kennedy has been characterized as emotional and digital, devoid of a physical aspect. It reportedly developed after Nuzzi had already commenced covering Kennedy's presidential campaign. Nuzzi has expressed remorse for not disclosing the relationship sooner, acknowledging that it created an appearance of a conflict of interest. Kennedy's spokesperson stated that he only met Nuzzi once for a formal interview, contradicting the nature of their communication. This discrepancy raises questions about the extent of their interactions and the potential impact on Nuzzi's reporting. Nuzzi's fiancé, Ryan Lisa, has recused himself from covering Kennedy due to his connection to the story. The disclosure of Nuzzi's relationship with Kennedy has cast a long shadow over her career. New York Magazine has placed her on leave while they commission a third-party review of her work. This decision comes despite an internal review finding no evidence of bias in her reporting. This leave of absence raises significant questions about her future at the magazine. Beyond her current employment, this incident could impact Nuzzi's future career prospects. The controversy may make other news organizations hesitant to hire her. On a personal level, Nuzzi is facing intense scrutiny and criticism for her actions. New York Magazine has commissioned a third-party review to examine Nuzzi's work. The primary objective is to determine if her relationship with Kennedy influenced her reporting. The findings will be crucial in determining the future of Nuzzi's career at the magazine. They could also have broader implications for journalistic standards and practices across the industry. If New York Magazine decides to terminate Nuzzi's employment, it could send a strong message about the importance of transparency. Conversely, if she is allowed to return, it may raise concerns about leniency. This incident serves as a potent reminder of the importance of ethical conduct and transparency in journalism. It highlights the need for clear guidelines, open communication, and robust accountability within news organizations. The outcome will likely have lasting implications for both Nuzzi's career and the broader field of journalism. It underscores the responsibility journalists have to uphold the highest ethical standards. The public's trust in journalism is paramount, and it is the responsibility of every journalist to safeguard that trust.